So here we are in Ullawatu, staying at the Suites by Young's Villa, located on Jalan Bawana Sari. This is the road, the little road that it's located, and this is the gang. At the end of this gang is the villas. So let's go and have a look, and we show you where we are staying. And reception is just here. They are ever so helpful, so if you need any help, there is always somebody there waiting to assist. They can organise motorbikes for you, bicycles, whatever you want. They also do laundry here. There are 10 villas in total. There's number 10 at the end there, and then one is right down the end. We are staying in number 2. Let's go and have a look at that. Outdoor shower, below ground swimming pool, beautiful bougainvillea trees, a nice outdoor sitting area. I think it's kind of like a Mexican Spanish hacienda vibe. Today it's a wet and rainy day in Ullawatu, but still beautiful to swim in the pool and sit out here. And inside, you've got a sunken lounge, beds up the top there, TV, fully equipped kitchen, there's a stove top, sink, you've got all your cutlery and your plates. The water dispenser is in the cupboard, and you've got hot boiling water, normal water and iced water. And you can also fill up the bathroom bottles with that as well. You've got your teacups, drinking cups, glasses and your wine glasses. The best part about this villa that Steve loves is this huge fridge. Plenty of room for all your bintangs, and a big freezer area, and a, what is that? A quick chiller drawer. There are plenty of power points. There's 2 on either side of the bed and the light switch, and 3 shelves and another shelf and hanging space on this side. Oh, we've got some rain happening today. Good day to stay inside. So you can have a look from up here. This is the whole villa. 1 bedroom villa. Got a big rainwater shower head and a handheld shower. The usual shampoo, conditioner and body wash. What is this called? The Young brand. Smells nice anyway. Bathroom sink and your bottled water. They have water in the kitchen, so you've got endless water as well. Hand and body wash. There's also a hairdryer and an iron in this villa. So there you go. This is the 1 bedroom villa, suite number 2 at the Suites at Young Villas. And what we really like about this villa is we've never stayed in anything that looks like this. It's kind of unique. You've got the steps here. It goes from the sunken lounge up more steps into the bed, and the bedroom kind of looks like it's floating above everything else. And you can lay in bed, watch the rain, watch the birds flying by, roosters crowing. No, actually it's quite quiet here. And seagrass light shades. There you go, the birds are in the tree, having a little shower in the rain. We are staying 6 nights at the Suites by Young's Villas, and it's costing us $1,685 for the 6 nights or the week. We really like it. We really like it. It's something different. We've never stayed in something like this. The style of it, everything. It's like you're in like a little hacienda. Do you think?
I do. I love it. Yeah.
And location is really good. It feels like you're in the middle of nowhere, but we had a little bit of a wander around and found a like a shortcut, a back road, and it takes you to the main area of, where are we? Bingen? Yeah, we'll explore a little bit more later, but so far the villa is great, beautiful and clean. They're so helpful. We just call them and they come and we're here straight away.
they've cleaned the room already, it's spotless. So yeah, if you're interested in staying at the Youngs Villas, I will put all the information in the description box below. All right, hope you enjoy. See ya.